I'm going to show you how to make some money from home. Just watch. And just like that, happy learning, guys. So when I first started hearing about investing, I thought that making money would be as simple as copy and pasting, but made it wrong. Then I heard about dividend investing and suddenly there was a light in the tunnel. But again, that's what I thought. And it turned out to be very lucrative, but only if executed right. So I started dividend investing in 2020. And for the entire year of 2020, I only made 8,000 Jamaican dollars. To some, that may seem a lot, but the amount of money that I invested, it's not really a good return on my investment, you know? So I guess this all makes me want to feel like I want to sell off all my stocks. Don't ever serious, just joking. I would never sell off any or all of my stocks. Not just yet. But without further ado, let's just review the stocks of 2020 that gave me good dividends. So we're just going to start right up here. So the first stock is going to be Carreras, and right here their ticker symbol is CAR, C-A-R, Carreras, and they gave me for the entire year of 2020 a whopping $3,305.75. That's good. I like it. It's not much, but you know, there's room for growth with Carreras. So now we're moving on to Eppley, and their ticker symbol is EPLY, and they paid me for the year of 2020 $2,079.93, and yeah, another good one. Then we're moving on to Eppley 8.25, and they paid me a whopping $485.15. Cue the sound effect. So yeah, it wasn't much, even though they paid very consistently, like almost every single month. It wasn't a lot, so they're under consideration for removal from my portfolio, but let's see how it goes. Then we have Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol SGJ, and trust me, they kind of broke my heart because I've been looking for so much potential from them, but it's partly due to COVID. Remember that they had the holding of monies and not paying out because the Bank of Jamaica needed liquidity and whatever. So for the whole year of 2020, they only paid me $483.65. I'm going to keep them because I believe in them. Their dividend yield is good. So let's just see what next year brings for them, or this year brings for them. It's 2021 already. Oh my God. By the way, you guys watch I Am Legend? Saw a meme that said I Am Legend was stated in 2021, and there was a major virus and a vaccine was released, and that vaccine was the cause of the zombie apocalypse. Yeah, right? Kind of sound familiar. Anyways, let's go on to number 5 on this list, and number 5 is the underdog stock to watch for in 2021 that I think will perform very well is Mailpack. I only got one check from Mailpack, and it was $343.84. I invested in Mailpack further down in the year, so this year I get more payments from Mailpack, and I will be keeping Mailpack. Wisynco is in the number 6 spot, and Wisynco is a stock that I just don't understand, you know, like the price just keeps going down, and it's breaking my heart. And I sold Wisynco when I had it at $9, and I bought it back at $22. I'm such an idiot. I know it's at $16, so I'm losing money, and they're not paying me enough dividends also, because their dividend payment was $192.40. I'm wondering if I should just close out and collect my losses, but let's hold it. I believe in their manufacturing skills, so I'll hold it. Then we go on to the stock that I sold and I sold for a profit, and it was Victoria Mutual, and they only paid me $25.50 for the entire year. So I guess you can know why I sold them. Yeah, moving right along to number 8, the big dog, the one that paid a lot of money to everybody. That is going to be TransJamaican Highway, ticker symbol TJH, and they paid me for the year $639.23. I have people that collected 40 grand, 50 grand from TransJamaica, but that's like they invested like $1 million up. So big money popping spenders, them, yeah, them can get them big dividends. Then Wigton Wind Farm, ticker symbol WIG, and they paid me $32.01 for the year. Wigton, I'm waiting for your future plans to see if I should let you go or keep you. I won't say anything more on that, but I'm waiting on the future plans to be executed, you know? Now we're moving on to Panjam Investment, and their ticker symbol is PJAM, and they paid me $181.15. Panjam real estate, something that you should keep an eye on, although the stock is kind of expensive, but you know, good stock nonetheless. Then we move on to the investment holdings company, similar to Proven, but it's not. They focus mainly on real estate, and that is going to be First Rock Capital. And First Rock paid me US dollars of $1.63. I don't have much capital in First Rock, so I'm saying if I had more capital, then I would be getting more money. Then we're moving on to Proven Investment Limited. Proven, the big dog, the one that I only had 44 shares in. I only got 11 cents US dollars from them, but this APO, I think I applied for 4,000 shares, so let's see how that goes when it comes down to the dividend times. And then Margaritaville, which are sold, and they gave me $1.33 US dollars. So approximately the total for the year that I got from dividends is $8,183.05. That's not much, but these stocks are good, and I'll need to invest some more into them, and some will be sold, unfortunately. So I wrote a little script here on my resolution, what I intend to do with my portfolio, and basically this is it. I'm planning to restructure my portfolio around stocks with high dividend yields. And what is a dividend yield? According to Investopedia, one of the best encyclopedias for investment and stock jargons on the internet, they said a dividend yield is an estimate of the dividend only return of a stock investment. Assuming the dividend is not raised or lowered, the dividend yield will rise when prices of the stocks falls, and conversely, it will fall when the price of the stock rises. Because dividend yields change relative to the stock price, it can often look unusually high for stocks that are falling in value quickly. For example, to make things clearer, if company A has a dividend yield of 5% and you invest $100,000 in company A, then that simply means that your dividend return for the year would be $5,000. You get that? So if their dividend yield is $5,000 and you invest $100,000, then that means for the whole year, your dividend return would be $5,000. Hopefully that's clear. So if you guys like the information that I'm presenting so far, or if you think I'm boasting, just double click the dislike button twice, and for those who like it, just tap the like button once. Alright, so the stocks that I will look into for 2021 for better dividend yields are as follows. Number 1, Grace Kennedy Limited, GK, and their dividend yield is 2.38%. So the formula for dividend yield, it's going to be the annual dividend, so the amount of dividend that company pays. Annual dividend divided by the share price. And then once you get that, you're going to get a decimal. Then you convert that to a percentage, and then that will be your dividend yield. If you want to find information for like annual dividend or share prices, that's called the Jamaica Stock app, and they have a breakdown of the dividend yield and everything like that. But sometimes, because dividend yield changes with the price, it's always good to calculate that yourself to get the most accurate or the most current dividend yield. Next is going to be Salada Foods Jamaica Limited, and their dividend yield is going to be 3.19%. Number 3 is going to be Supreme Ventures, and their ticker symbol SVL. Dividend yield is 4.46%. And lastly, number 4, Proven Investments Limited. I know I made investments in the APO, but I'm looking to slowly every month just compound and put money into Proven. And the Proven dividend yield, latest calculation, is 4.81%. So these are the 4 stocks that I will be adding to my portfolio, and which I will be focusing on a lot for 2021, and hopefully the dividend growth or the dividend payouts will be awesome for 2021. So let's see how 2021 treats us financially. If you like the video, leave a comment. If you love the video, like it by destroying the like button right under the screen here. Destroy the like button, you know, just mash up the computer, fling it in a wall, tear it up, make my face the last thing you see on the computer. And if you really love it, just subscribe and share it with all your friends. Anyways guys, this has been Demetress Fairman. This is Stock Rants. Just joking, still not have a name for the channel. But anyway, this has been Demetress Fairman. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys another time.